Stop overpaying for plastic tactical rifles that lose half their value the moment you leave the shop. While the average shooter is fighting over back-ordered ARs, savvy marksmen are quietly raiding warehouses for battle-hardened steel. We're talking about rifles that forged empires, now priced lower than a basic optics setup. These aren't just budget fillers, they are investment-grade history you can take to the range. Today, we're counting down the absolute best military surplus bargains still left on the market. Safety first. Always have a professional gunsmith inspect the headspace and barrel integrity of any vintage firearm before you head to the range. M1 Carbine. The M1 Carbine is the ultimate point-and-click classic of the 20th century. Originally designed for support troops, its featherweight profile and negligible recoil made it a favorite on the front lines. Chambered in .30 carbine, it bridges the gap between a pistol and a full-sized rifle, making it an ideal choice for smaller shooters or home defense. While prices have ticked up, authentic military examples still offer a level of reliability and fun factor that modern polymer carbines simply can't replicate. Mauser K98k. The Kar98k is the gold standard by which all bolt-action rifles are measured. Its controlled feed extractor and legendary 8mm punch made it a formidable backbone for German forces. While matching number museum pieces are sky-high, shooter-grade captures and refurbished models remain the most affordable way to own a masterpiece of engineering. It's incredibly robust, surprisingly accurate for its age, and serves as a perfect entry point for anyone wanting to experience the raw power of a true Mauser action without the collector premium. SKS-45 rifle. If you want semi-auto capability without the tactical price tag, the SKS-45 is your best bet. This Soviet-designed workhorse uses the ubiquitous 7.62 by 39mm round, meaning your range days won't break the bank. With its internal 10-round magazine and integrated folding bayonet, it's a rugged, no-nonsense tool that thrives on neglect. It's significantly more affordable than most AK platforms while offering superior milled receiver durability. For a reliable truck gun or a piece of Cold War history, the SKS remains a top-tier bargain. Karabiner K31 rifle. Swiss engineering is synonymous with precision, and the K31 is essentially a match-grade rifle disguised as a service weapon. Its unique straight-pull bolt is a mechanical marvel, allowing for incredibly fast follow-up shots compared to traditional turn bolts. Chambered in the powerful 7.5 by 55mm Swiss, these rifles often feature troop tags under the butt plate, a direct link to the soldier who carried it. For shooters who prioritize sub-MOA potential and buttery smooth action over raw aesthetics, the K31 is the ultimate sleeper bargain. French Mass 36. The Mass 36 is often misunderstood, but its rugged simplicity is its greatest strength. Built for the mud of the trenches, it features a unique forward-swept bolt handle and a robust rear-locking action. While it lacks a traditional safety, its mechanical reliability is legendary. The 7.5 by 54mm French cartridge offers ballistics similar to the .308, making it a capable hunter. Because it lacks the fame of German or American rifles, you can still snag these durable, compact battle rifles for a fraction of their historical worth. Arisaka Type 99 rifle. Don't let the last-ditch myths fool you. The Arisaka Type 99 is one of the strongest bolt actions ever forged. Its chrome-lined bore is nearly impervious to the elements, and its massive locking lugs can handle pressures that would shatter lesser rifles. While 7.7mm ammunition requires some searching, the rifle itself is an ergonomic win with a surprisingly comfortable recoil pad. It's a rock-solid piece of Pacific history that remains undervalued by many, making it a prime target for smart buyers. Lee Enfield, number 4, Mark I. The number 4, Mark I is the quintessential battle bolt for those who value speed. Its rear-locking lugs and short bolt throw allowed British soldiers to perform the Mad Minute with terrifying efficiency. Featuring a massive 10-round magazine, double the capacity of its peers, it offers a significant firepower advantage. The .303 British round is a proven performer on game, and the rifle's aperture sights are far superior to the crude notches found on most surplus. It's a smooth, fast, and iconic piece of history. Steyr Mannlicher M95 Carbine. If you want a rifle that hits like a freight train and fits in a backpack, the M95 is it. This Austro-Hungarian straight-pull carbine is incredibly light and lightning fast to cycle. Chambered in the potent 8x56mm R, it delivers a punchy recoil that reminds you it was built for serious business. While the ammunition is a specialty item, the sheer mechanical uniqueness and rock-bottom entry price make it a favorite for collectors who want something that stands out at the range without spending a fortune. Swiss Schmidt Rubin K11. The K11 is the K31's predecessor and the secret value play of the Swiss market. You get the same legendary Swiss craftsmanship and straight pull speed, but often at a much lower price point because it lacks the K31's fame. It's a long, elegant rifle with a carbine-length handling feel that is surprisingly balanced. The accuracy is still leagues beyond most modern budget rifles. If you want Swiss precision on a tighter budget, the K11 is the smart man's choice for a high-performance surplus rifle. Spanish M1916 Mauser. The Spanish M1916 is a compact, short-barreled gem that offers incredible maneuverability. Many of these were converted to .308 Winchester 7.62 NATO later in their life, making them some of the most practical surplus rifles for the modern shooter who wants cheap, available ammo. While the finish might be utilitarian, the action is pure Mauser reliability. It's a lightweight, fast-pointing carbine that functions perfectly as a budget-friendly brush gun for hunting or a historical plinker that won't weigh you down. Chinese SKS Type 56. The Type 56 SKS is the ultimate blue-collar battle rifle. Produced in massive quantities, these rifles are built to survive conditions that would choke a modern sporting rifle. Unlike the more expensive Russian variants, the Chinese models are often found at a price that makes them the perfect truck gun. They utilize a reliable gas piston system and fire the affordable 7.62 by 39mm round. With a chrome-lined bore and a rugged folding spike bayonet, it's a functional piece of history that delivers semi-auto performance without the high cost. Czechoslovakian of Z24 Mauser. Often cited by experts as the finest Mauser ever produced, the Czech Z24 features a level of machining and fit and finish that puts wartime German K98s to shame. These rifles were built during a golden age of European gunsmithing, utilizing high-quality steel and expert heat treating. Chambered in 8mm Mauser, they are exceptionally accurate and smooth to operate. Because they lack the eagle stamps of German models, they remain significantly cheaper, despite often being a technically superior firearm for the serious shooter. Yugoslavian M2447 Mauser. The M2447 is the secret weapon for shooters who want a brand new vintage rifle. These were refurbished in Yugoslavian arsenals to incredibly high standards, often receiving fresh barrels and pristine wood stocks before being dipped in cosmoline for decades. The result is a Mauser that cycles like glass and shoots tighter groups than many modern bolt actions. Since they were updated after World War II, the metal condition is usually superb. For the money, you simply won't find a more reliable or cleaner bolt-action service rifle. Mosin Nagant M9130. No surplus list is complete without the garbage rod that won the Eastern Front. The Mosin Nagant is legendary for its brutal simplicity and near indestructibility. While the days of $99 crates are over, the M9130 remains the most accessible entry point into the hobby. It fires the massive 7.62 by 54mm R, a round that can take down any North American game. It's loud, it kicks like a mule, and the bolt requires some muscle, but it will work in rain, mud, or snow without hesitation. Turkish Mauser M1938. The Turkish M38 is the heavyweight champion of the budget Mauser world. Built on the large ring Mauser 98 action, these rifles are incredibly stout and designed to handle the high-pressure 8mm Mauser round all day long. They feature a longer sight radius, which aids in long-range accuracy, and a robust stock that can take a beating. Because the market was flooded with these years ago, prices have stayed grounded. It is a massive, powerful, and historically significant rifle that offers peak Mauser performance for a bargain price. Carcano M91. The Italian Carcano is perhaps the most undervalued rifle on this list. Often overlooked due to unfair myths, the M91 and its carbine variants are actually lightweight, fast handling, and mechanically clever. Using a unique N-block clip system, it allows for very rapid reloading. The 6.5 by 52mm round is surprisingly mild on the shoulder while remaining ballistically effective. Because these are still being imported in batches, you can find them at prices that feel like a time machine back to the 90s. 1903 Springfield. The 1903 Springfield is the American legend, known for its incredible accuracy and iconic cock-on opening Mauser-style action. While A1 and original models fetch high prices, the A3 variants, often featuring simplified aperture sights, remain the best way for a shooter to own a piece of US history. Chambered in the ubiquitous point 30-06, it's a powerful, smooth cycling rifle that feels right at home on the target range or in a hunting blind. It is the pinnacle of American bolt-action craftsmanship. WZ-52 rifle. The WZ-52 is a fascinating piece of Cold War engineering from Czechoslovakia. This semi-automatic rifle uses a unique side-actuated gas system and was originally chambered in the proprietary 7.62 by 45mm round. It's a rugged, heavy-hitting alternative to the SKS, offering a detachable magazine and a built-in folding bayonet. For collectors who want a semi-auto that feels like a true battle rifle rather than a carbine, the WZ-52 offers a distinct aesthetic and mechanical history that is increasingly rare. Argentine Mauser. If you appreciate the jewelry of the gun world, the Argentine Mauser, specifically the 1891 and 1909 models, is a must-have. Produced by DWM in Germany, these rifles exhibit a level of fit and finish that is truly breathtaking, often featuring deep, high-polished bluing and rich walnut stocks. The 7.65 by 53mm Argentine cartridge is an excellent performer, comparable to the .308. For the shooter who wants a rifle that looks as good as it shoots, the Argentine Mauser is a masterpiece of Victorian-era engineering. Swedish Carl Gustaf M96. The Swedish Mauser is widely considered the most accurate service rifle ever issued, utilizing superior Swedish steel and the exceptionally flat-shooting 6.5 by 55mm cartridge. These rifles are legendary for their light recoil and surgical precision. Whether you're looking at the long M96 or the shorter M38, the quality is consistent across the board. While other surplus rifles were abused in the trenches, most Swedish Mausers were meticulously maintained, leaving you with a vintage rifle that can still outshoot modern precision builds. The window for affordable military surplus is closing faster than most people realize. Every year, these rifles transition from bargain shooters to high-end collectibles. If you've been on the fence about starting your collection, now is the time to act before these pieces of history disappear into private vaults forever. Sound off in the comments below. I read every single one. If this guide helped you narrow down your next purchase, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Trek Gear for more deep dives into the tools that shaped history. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the range.